You have RV questions and I have answers, or I know where to find them. Hi, I'm Jeff Johnston. After 30 plus years as a feature and tech writer for major truck and RV magazines, I'm always being asked some interesting and at times fairly unusual RV questions. So join me on Straight Talk with Jeff Johnston on Rollin' On TV or on RollinOnTV.com, our website. No matter the question, you can count on getting a straight, honest answer. It may not be the answer you wanted or expected, or you may find someone that disagrees with it, but it's an honest answer based on my or my other experts' experience. In the meantime, we hope you're having some fun making it through these difficult times. Remember, your RV is your best fun machine option. Hi, I'm Jeff Johnston, and welcome to RV Straight Talk, where I'll try and answer your RV technical and at times not so technical questions. You can submit your questions by email to jeff@rollinontv.com or by simply going to our website at rollinontv.com and clicking on the RV Straight Talk link. This week, Harold writes, I plan to replace the ST tires on my trailer with heavier LT tires. Is this a good idea? Will the LT tires work on a trailer, or do I need to stick with the STs? Well, yes, Harold, LT tires work great on trailers. They have many of the mechanical and physical characteristics of trailer ST tires, or special trailer tires. The LTs are designed, of course, for a little bit more load carrying, like on a light truck, thus the LT designation. They have the stiffer sidewalls to accommodate the load, which is what's also true on the ST tires. They have tremendous tread. I mean, obviously they're designed for steering and handling and braking and so on. And their carcass generally has tremendous ultraviolet ray resistance, which is also a characteristic of ST tires. So as long as the LT tires that you select are the same or greater load range as the STs coming off your trailer, and of course they have to fit your wheels and they've got to fit in the wheel well opening, you should have no problems at all with LT tires as long as you stick with a good quality name brand. I hope that clears things up a little for you. And by the way, Harold, email me your shipping address and I'll make sure you receive one of our classy Rolling On TV coffee mugs. Don't forget, if you have any RV tech questions, send it in and I'll give you a straight, honest answer. And if we use your question on our website or the TV show, we'll send you a Rolling On TV mug just like this one. We regret that we can't personally answer every question we receive, but we do answer the ones we use on the show or the website. That's it for this week. We'll see you next time.